Well, I'm meteorologist Vin Crosby from the Weather Show at Vin Crosby on YouTube, and hey, here comes winter. Oh, yeah. First time this year we're going to see a shot of cold air. This that's coming through now is actually the leading edge of cold air. And aloft, it is very cold, which means the chance of, well, convective showers. This is like a thunderstorm in winter. And so we're seeing a downpour of some light snow starting to cover the ground. And this is going to be the trend over the next couple of days. So we're going to see slick conditions on the road and temperatures much colder. This is a response to some powerful cold air that's going to be moving into the Pacific Northwest over the next couple of days. This system carving through the Northwest is causing these convective showers, and because it's cold enough, obviously it's coming down in the form of snow. You can see in the short amount of time that I've been out here, I'm almost covered. It's going to keep coming down this band, for the next hour or two as it swings on through. Scattered showers, so some areas are not even seeing the snow showers, but here in the Ada County area up against the foothills, we are seeing not only high gusty winds coming through, it's getting cold, and obviously the ground is starting to get covered in white with this, it's not quite snow, it's almost like a grapple, so the atmosphere is set up where it's coming down as snow and then melting a little bit in a thin layer of warmer air and then refreezing as it comes on through. So we're seeing these pelts come on down. It's not quite hail, although it resembles it. This is actually snow that falls and then melts almost like little snowballs as it comes on down through the atmosphere. All right, so the weather pattern going to turn chilly. We're talking overnight lows in the single digits to teens. That's it. And then daytime highs only in the 20s for much of this week. Now, here's the kicker. This storm system is going to dive down, and there's enough cold air in Canada that's going to move towards the west. And as that moves towards the west, it's going to drain into the Pacific Northwest. It's going to sit here for some time, folks. We may have an inversion. We're going to have a cold Arctic-like air mass, so temperatures are probably going to be the coldest we've seen in quite some time, if at all, this winter. It's going to be a little bit of a duration, if you will, a little bit of a prolonged period of cold air going on through this week, and so we'll see those temperatures again in the Treasure Valley in the single digits to low teens in some areas, in the teens in most areas, and then daytime highs only in the 20s. With scattered areas of this stuff coming up down, some scattered snow showers. And you can see in the short time that we've been on air, the ground's starting to get coated white as the snow shower continues to move through. This type of weather pattern is wonderful because you can see peaks of sun coming out as well. Now it's just getting windy and cold. I'm starting to get a wind chill factor going on. All right, a lot of news to talk about. We're going to see this system kind of carve its way into the western United States. There's going to be a huge snowstorm developing in portions of Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, and it's all going to kick east into the plains. Now, yours truly gets to fly tomorrow and avoid the cold air and go to Houston. You know, Houston devastated this year with the hurricanes and all the flooding. I get to go there this week, and then this system's going to clash with that mild air and bring thunderstorms and heavy downpours there. So I'm going to be able to report not only on the snow here, but the chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms, possibly mid to late week in Houston. So we'll bring you some live updates here on the Weather Show at Vin Crosby from Houston as many times as I can. I can't wait to see some of those thunder boomers and experience some of those warm, humid days down in Houston. But in the meantime, for us, this is bad news because now that the ground is getting wet, we're going to see the cold air move in tonight with temperatures dropping below freezing. Highs tomorrow, barely getting up for your Monday around 30, and then in the 20s for Tuesday and Wednesday for sure, and those overnight temperatures falling back into the single digits and low teens. The roadways will become very slick. There will be some slick conditions in parking lots and roadways, and we could expect the ground to see another coating of white from flurries and snow showers that move on through periodically during the afternoon and the evening hours for your Monday. So that's it for the Weather Show with Vin Crosby. Scrape my snow off the mic here. Again, have your friends and family subscribe. Share this video on YouTube and Twitter for me. We really appreciate you and all our sponsors that are out there. Temperatures, again, going to be the story. And just, it's amazing. I'm looking now at the snow back here to the white, and just above me, sky's turning blue in the snow. This is fantastic. Matter of fact, I'm going to take a shot of that for you right here because you need to see this. Check it out. Yeah, up here we got the back edge of the clouds and blue skies coming on through and the snow coming down right in your face. Oh, I just love weather. There's a blue patch right there. Then, of course, back here, we're looking very snowy as the snow shower is now moving back in towards the Boise area, going into East Boise, and we'll continue that journey as we go through this evening. But once the sun goes down, a lot of these showers will lose their energy and kind of fall apart. All right, so that's my quick little weather hit. I got to go pack for my trip down to Houston this week. I can't wait. It's going to be warm, but I can't wait for thunderstorms, southeastern thunderstorms. Very warm, humid atmosphere. It's like the clouds are just treetop level. It's going to be a fun trip this week.